The best quesadillas are not made in 5 minutes. The best quesadillas are made in about 2 hours. My name is Omar, and this is Omar Over Fire. Don't go anywhere. This is gonna get really, really good. It's past 3 o'clock in the morning, and we are right here cooking in our backyard. Nice, perfect, slow cook. This is chile poblano. This is really, really good. I think I showed you that on the last video. We're gonna do the back trip with these peppers. I'm gonna show you. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. So what we want to do with these peppers, we want to put them inside this bag. Okay. And then what this is gonna do, they're gonna steam up a little bit. Been really, really hot. And we're gonna keep them like this, and we're just gonna leave them alone for a little bit. We're gonna come back later, and all that peeling is gonna come right off, okay? I'll show you. We've been having a beautiful, beautiful weather right now, but it's fixing to change. Today is Sunday, and this video will be uploaded in 2 weeks from now. So just so you know, we're 2 weeks behind. On every video you watch, it's 2 weeks behind. Just so you know, I can miss on those Thursday videos, but on Sunday videos, we can't miss those. We got a deadline for those videos. You guys are waiting for these videos. We have to get them out there. So we record our videos at least 2 weeks prior. That way we're always on point. You know, most people say steak, if it's well done, it's done. I personally think that if you like a steak well done, then it's the perfect steak for you, okay? If you like medium rare, then it's the perfect steak for you. Me personally, I like medium rare. That's me. And I think it's perfect for me. How do you like your steak? Post it in the comments, let me know. I'd like to know. Look at that fire going. I can tell you one thing, those coals that look really, really nice in this camera, don't it? They look really nice. Those onions, they always smell really, really good when you cook them like that. Saute some onions, and if you got a little bit of pepper and garlic and just a little bit of that, man, that gives it a really nice flavor. I don't put anything in here because we're gonna try something different. Steak. Our onions are done. Let's put the chorizo in it. Look at this. Look at this. Chorizo.
That's the whole neighborhood smelling good, man.
Yeah. Got laid on me. Yeah. Perfect steak. Look at that. Look at that juice, guys. Look at that. Oh my God. It's perfect and juicy. Oh my goodness. What this is queso Oaxaca, okay? This is really, really nice cheese. All right, guys, while we wait for the other stuff to be ready, I want to show you something. Something different and something really, really good. Definitely really, really good. I really like it. That chocolate flavor is perfect. It gives it a really, really good, really nice flavor. It's kind of hard to tell the alcohol from the chocolate, because this is really good. It's kind of like those chocolates that they sell you at the store. They got alcohol inside. That's what this tastes like. I'm starting to like these overnight videos. They're turning out really, really nice. The quality of the video is there. I love it. I don't know what you guys think of this. So, just so you know, I don't forget about anything. And I do keep my word, and I always intend to keep my word, okay? The video about this table right here, my cooking setup, however you want to call it, it's coming, okay? I'm working on it. The problem has been the weather. The weather hasn't been helping me anything, okay? It's been my worst enemy right now when it comes to this. So as soon as we get some days that are really, really nice, we can work on this, then I'll get that video out there, guys. I do want to make this video because I want to show you what I did to accomplish this, okay? The other one that I talk about, live videos, those are coming. We're going to have some nice live videos. Just give me some time so we can gather everything together, and then I'll let you know. I will let you know when we're ready for those live videos. I will let you know. Watch this. So make sure you watch your tortilla while you're cooking it. Look at that. Okay? Look at it. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. This is perfection right here, guys. We got our cheese, we got our steak, and we got our tortilla. But the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our steak. You see this right here? We're gonna cut our pieces long ways like this. Oh my God, look at that steak. We're gonna cut these pieces like if we were cutting pieces of steak for fajita. Okay? Look at this steak. Look at these pieces. Look at that, guys. Look at the juice. Oh my God, this is really, really good. Now, we cut some of those pieces. Now what we're going to do is we take our tortilla, we put some of this nice Oaxaca cheese in here, like that. We're going to put our steak just like this. Oh my God, some people will take that out. I don't. I really like that, okay? Just so you know, I don't take that out. Okay, now what we do is we put some more cheese in here, just like this, just like that. Look at that. And we fold it over, just like this. We fold it over, and then we bring it over to our grill. Okay? Now I use Oaxaca cheese. You can use any kind of cheese that you want. If you want to use the one with the cheddar cheese and whatever you want to use, it's fine. It's fine. As long as you enjoy what you're making, that's all that matters. Use whatever you think is right for you. This is what I use for me. I think this is the best flavor in the world for me, so that's what I do. So my philosophy is, if you like what you're making, hey, then you're doing a really good job. Now that it's been cooking for a little bit, we want to add our chorizo. Oh my God. And then we close it back up. Oh wow, look at that, guys. It's turning out really, really good. Now, this is one of the peppers that have been in the bag since I told you I was going to put them in there. Look, watch this. Watch this right here. Look at this. You see that? Look at how easy they peel, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect poblano pepper. Oh, look at those juices. No, it's not burnt. Even though it looked like it was burnt, it's not burnt. Look at this. And we're gonna use this one. Look at this quesadilla, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at this quesadilla, guys. This is perfect. Oh my God, look at that. God, you won't believe how good this tastes. The pepper, the chorizo, the steak, everything combined, everything together is a perfect combination. It's really good. This is something you ought to try. That and my Negra Modelo, they go well, very good. And people, thank you so much for everything you guys are doing for me. I appreciate all those lovely comments. Keep them coming. I love it. I'm reading every single one of your comments. You already know. I already told you this before, but this is all I got for you today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.